today this guy is destroying the kitchen. Here's how. First up, he's cooking.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today
This is my channel. What are you talking about?
Today I call up with Ivy for
He doesn't even know my name, bro.
what?
He doesn't even know my name.
Okay, what's your YouTube channel name?
Not telling you.
Okay, so today I'm called up with not
Today
telling you.
Today he's destroying the kitchen. Don't like him.
I'm cooking this kind of thing. It's called bánh cam or like
whatever that can call.
Yeah, whatever. But
orange cake.
or orange cake. Wait.
Yeah.
Okay, so orange in color or orange in fruit.
Okay, so basically he's ruining the cake.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, his new and his salary is decreasing because
guys, look at me. So like this one, I cook it.
No, he did not. Yeah, that's fake news.
Fake news.
But seriously, look at him. Look at how unprofessional.
Don't listen to this kid, guys.
No.
I'm a professional.
No, she's not. He's only at 16. He's not a professional chef. He can't even cook rice by himself.
Look at your villa, like no one watching.
I watch it.
Oh.
Okay, bye guys. Anyway.
Okay, you guys see
Bye.
the result after I time skip it.